Salty, it's crispy, it's juicy.
We start our roundup at West Seattle's fried chicken dining destination, Ma'ono.
And it comes from our owner's family, who is from Hawaii. So we do his family style of fried chicken.
Brined for 6 hours, submerged in buttermilk overnight, double fried and finished with umami seasoning, you won't taste anything like this anywhere else, which is why they sell out almost every weekend. EZELL'S has long been the people's choice for best fried chicken in Western Washington and gained national fame when Oprah had them cater her birthday party in 1990. They've been serving up Texas-style plates for more than 36 years. In Georgetown, you'll find another kind of regional fried chicken. Sisters and Brothers specializes in Nashville hot chicken.
The hotter you get it, the more fun it is to eat.
They've just moved to Elliott Avenue in Inner Bay, but you can still choose between mild, hot, and insane seasoning. This isn't fast food. Each piece is made to order, but it's worth the wait. For the crunchiest fried chicken in Seattle, stop by this fun spot in White Center.
It's the sound of chicken bakes. Bak-a-bak!
This is Korean fried chicken, made with tempura batter. It's crispier than other kinds of breading. Seating at bak-a-bak can be limited, but this chicken is always good to go. The Wandering Goose on Capitol Hill has cakes to die for, but it's the fried chicken breakfast biscuits that keep the crowds coming.
We do Southern food, the best Southern food in Seattle.
They also have fried chicken dinners for takeout on weekends. $25 for a fried chicken dinner feast. So use this comprehensive list and support a local restaurant by treating yourself to a delicious meal and save me a drumstick.
Now, I know those